Once your services are added inside QuickSale, Salonist gives you everything you need to manage checkout smoothly, from tips and discounts to coupons and tax settings, all automatically calculated in real time. Let's take a look at how it works. You can easily add tips during checkout by selecting the staff member and entering the amount directly. For example, let's say Maya purchases a product and books a service. Once the service is added, you can assign the staff member, in this case, Blake, the stylist, the professional. From there, you can easily add a tip for Blake directly during checkout based on the client's preference. You can also apply discounts instantly during billing, whether it's a percentage discount or a fixed value discount. Salonist automatically recalculates the total for you in real time. Let's say your client purchased a product and booked a service. Once the discount is added, the system updates the final payment automatically without needing any manual calculations. The checkout process also gives you flexibility with payments, so clients can split payments between cash and card, adjust the payable amount, or combine multiple payment methods based on their preference. Everything updates automatically inside the invoice before generating the final bill. And if you want to take things even further, Salonist also gives you built-in tools to create promotions and special offers for your clients. Let's take a look at how coupons work. Inside Sales Tools, head over to Coupons, then click Add Coupon. From here, you can create your coupon code. Choose whether the discount is percentage-based or a fixed value. Set usage limits, expiry dates, redemption limits, and much more. Once created, the coupon becomes ready to use directly during checkout inside QuickSale. Tax and VAT are also handled automatically by the system. In this example, VAT is already set to 5% and Salonist calculates everything instantly during checkout. You can also choose whether taxes are included in the service price or added separately, depending on how your business operates. Now, let's take a look at where these tax settings are managed. So, from Setup, head over to Point of Sale, then open Tax Settings. From here, you can customize your VAT name, tax percentage, and choose whether taxes are included or excluded from services. You also find additional options that help you fully customize how taxes are applied across your business. Once everything is set up, simply click Save and the system will automatically update your billing settings. With everything connected in one workflow, Salonist helps make your checkout process faster, smoother, and much easier to manage for both your team and your clients.